You're looking at 4 slide outs, 2 massive awnings here for outdoor living, as well as plenty of cargo and living space on the inside. Hey, welcome back to Brett's RV and Marine here in beautiful Missoula, Montana. Love the great outdoors. Today I've got a quick look and walk around of this brand new Grand Design Solitude fifth wheel. Let's get started.
First, I want to start with going over this cool feature. These are fully laminated walls here, which means they're structurally better, they're better insulated to handle the elements, and they're just more sound units. Then another really cool feature here that I like is this pass-through storage here. Here you can put all your camping gear, everything, your power cords, your water, rather than put it inside the main cabin and crowd and everything. Here are 2 of the 4 slides on this Solitude right here. This one's to the bedroom, which I'll show you in a minute. This slide out right here is to the kitchen where the big screen TV is at. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome to this beautiful Grand Design Solitude, everybody. Off to my left here is this dinette. It seats up to 4, nice area to eat and play cards with family. Moving on over here to the main cabin now. These recliners, they've got some cool features on them. They got Bluetooth massagers, they recline. Back over to here now, it's a 3-person sofa, but it also turns into a bed so you can sleep more rather than stuffing everybody up into the front. Right across from the recliners here, we've got this big screen TV. Right below it, we've got this fireplace here, so if you don't want to start a fire outside, let's get this one on. Moving into the kitchen now, we've got this 4-burner range stove here. Right above it is this nice convection microwave. And look at all this available counter space here. It's plenty of room for prep and everything. Right here is your sinks located here. You can make a few adjustments there, and then if you don't need it, you just cover it right back up. Last but not least is full-size refrigerator and freezer, conveniently located. Now moving up from the main cabin to the master bedroom here, this is that slide out that I was talking about outside earlier. It's got great natural lighting with your 3 windows there, a nice queen bed, and then right below the bed here, I think this is pretty cool. It's got a nice little storage compartment. A few more things here. You have a nice full-size shower right here, along next to it, a porcelain toilet. I like this feature over here. It's a double sink vanity. And now I've saved the best for last. Nice walk-in closet. Look at all that space there. Coat rack, shoe rack. Then you come right over to here and you have washer and dryer hookup.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that quick look and walk around of this brand new Grand Design Solitude. For more information and more units just like this, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.